Hi, my name is Heiland and I'm the CEO of company Heiland Electronic from Wetzlar in Germany. We are a manufacturer of photographic darkroom equipment over 30 years now. And I have been invited by Mr. Yibin now to give some workshops here at the Hangzhou Photographic Art Center. And I'm really happy to be here and to introduce our Splitgrade system and the LED cold light source to more than 13 students. We have a good time here. I appreciate really the invitation, and I really appreciate that so much young people are taking part now on these workshops, and that the students enjoy taking analog photography, making prints, and therefore I really wish that these students spread the words about the joy with the classic analog photography to others.